This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax for mutual funds step by step. Gather Form 1099 DIV and transaction reports first and organize them by fund. Confirm whether distributions are ordinary income, qualified dividends, or capital gains. Note return of capital reduces cost basis and affects future gains. Keep a clear folder for statements and receipts to make filing faster and avoid errors during entry. Start by classifying each distribution on your Form 1099 DIV and statements. Mark which amounts are ordinary dividends, which are qualified, and which are capital gain distributions. Check for any return of capital entries and adjust the cost basis accordingly. Review holding periods to decide if gains are short-term or long-term, since this affects tax rates. Accurate classification saves time and reduces audit risk when you prepare forms. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support us. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep the ride fresh. It pairs surprisingly well with paperwork sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals before you head back to filing. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Enter dividend amounts from Form 1099 DIV onto your Form 1040 dividend lines and report capital gain distributions on Schedule D. If you have lots of transactions or differing bases, complete Form 8949 to reconcile sales and report adjustments. Use the correct cost basis for each sale and attach supporting schedules to your return. File electronically for faster processing, and keep digital backups of all statements for at least several years in case of inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.